Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream without vanilla essence. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally chilled for at least 4 hours. Also, place your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for 15 minutes before you begin. This cold environment is crucial for achieving light, fluffy whipped cream. You will also need a small amount of granulated sugar. Since we're skipping vanilla, let's explore other delicious flavor options. A pinch of citrus zest, like lemon or orange, can add a wonderful brightness. Alternatively, a tiny dash of almond extract offers a distinct, nutty aroma. For a rich, sophisticated flavor, try dissolving 1 tablespoon of instant espresso powder in a teaspoon of hot water before adding it. Now for the whipping process. Pour your cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin mixing on a low speed, gradually increasing to medium-high. Once the cream starts to thicken slightly, slowly sprinkle in your granulated sugar. Continue whipping until the cream forms medium-stiff peaks. Be careful not to overwhip, or it will become grainy. Your freshly made whipped cream is best enjoyed immediately, as its light texture is at its peak. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will maintain its quality for up to 2 days. For best results, give it a gentle whisk before serving again if it has softened slightly, bringing back its delightful fluffiness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.